Ever felt like your business could be doing so much more if only your financial tools played nicer with each other? If you've ever juggled spreadsheets, manually transferred data between platforms, or wished for a more streamlined way to manage your business finances, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into something that could be a game changer for how your business interacts with its bank, the Relay Bank API. Now, the term API might sound a bit technical, maybe even intimidating, but trust me, the power and possibilities it unlocks are anything but. Think of it as a secret handshake between your software and your bank account, allowing them to communicate and share information seamlessly and securely. Before we get into the nitty-gritty of what the Relay Bank API offers, let's paint a picture of why this kind of technology is so crucial in today's fast-paced business environment. Imagine you run an e-commerce store. You likely use various tools, a platform to manage your online shop, accounting software to track your income and expenses, and maybe even a payment processor. Without an API, these systems often operate in silos. You might have to manually export sales data from your e-commerce platform and import it into your accounting software. This process is not only time-consuming but also prone to errors. Now, envision a different scenario. What if your e-commerce platform could automatically update your accounting software with every sale? What if your payment processor could directly reconcile transactions with your bank account in real time? This is the power of APIs. They break down these silos, allowing different software applications to talk to each other, automating tasks, and providing a unified view of your business finances. This brings us back to Relay Bank. Relay is a banking platform specifically designed for small businesses, and their API is a key component of their offering. It's built with the understanding that modern businesses rely on a suite of tools to operate efficiently, and their banking should integrate seamlessly with that ecosystem. So, what exactly is the Relay Bank API? At its core, it's a set of rules and protocols that allows other software applications to interact with your Relay Bank account. Think of it as a digital doorway that allows authorized applications to securely access and exchange information with your bank. This enables a wide range of functionalities, from automating financial workflows to gaining deeper insights into your business's financial health. Let's break down some of the key functionalities and benefits that the Relay Bank API unlocks. 1. Account balance and transaction retrieval. One of the most fundamental capabilities of the API is the ability to retrieve real-time account balances and transaction history. This means your accounting software, financial planning tools, or even a custom-built dashboard can automatically pull the latest information from your Relay Bank account. No more manually logging in and exporting CSV files. This instant access to data ensures that your financial records are always up to date, providing a clear and accurate picture of your cash flow. 2. Payment initiation. The Relay Bank API goes beyond just reading data. It also allows for the initiation of payments. This means you can potentially trigger payments directly from other applications you use for your business. Imagine scheduling vendor payments directly from your project management software or automatically disbursing payouts to freelancers through your payroll system, all without having to log into your bank account separately. This streamlines your payment processes, reduces the risk of manual errors, and saves valuable time. 3. Account management. While the core functionalities revolve around data and payments, the API can also extend to certain aspects of account management. This might include the ability to retrieve account details, verify account information, or potentially even manage user permissions in the future. This level of integration can further simplify administrative tasks related to your banking. 4. Enhanced automation and efficiency. The overarching benefit of the Relay Bank API is the potential for significant automation and efficiency gains. By allowing your various business tools to communicate directly with your bank, you can automate repetitive tasks like data entry, reconciliation, and payment processing. This frees up your time and resources to focus on more strategic aspects of your business growth. 5. Improved financial visibility and insights. With real-time access to your financial data within your other business tools, you gain a more holistic and up-to-date view of your financial health. You can track key metrics, generate insightful reports, and make more informed decisions based on accurate and timely information. This can be particularly valuable for forecasting, budgeting, and overall financial planning. 6. Seamless integration with your existing tech stack. Relay understands that businesses use a variety of software solutions. Their API is designed to be developer-friendly, allowing for seamless integration with a wide range of accounting software, payment processors, e-commerce platforms, and other business applications. This means you can connect your Relay bank account to the tools you already use and love, creating a more integrated and efficient workflow. 7. Enhanced security. Security is paramount when it comes to financial data, and Relay Bank understands this. Their API is built with robust security measures to ensure that your data is protected. This includes secure authentication protocols, encryption of sensitive information, and adherence to industry best practices. You have control over which applications are authorized to access your bank account through the API, giving you peace of mind. Who is the Relay Bank API for? The Relay Bank API is particularly beneficial for small and medium-sized businesses, SMBs, businesses looking to streamline their financial operations and integrate their banking with their existing software ecosystem. E-commerce businesses, online sellers who need to reconcile sales data, manage payouts, and gain a clear view of their online revenue. Businesses using multiple software tools, companies that rely on various platforms for accounting, payments, payroll, and other business functions. Developers and software integrators, those who want to build custom integrations or connect existing applications with Relay Bank accounts. How do you get started with the Relay Bank API? Typically, accessing and utilizing a bank's API involves a few key steps. Account with Relay Bank. You'll need to have a business banking account with Relay Bank. API key/credentials. You'll usually need to obtain API keys or credentials from Relay Bank. This often involves registering your application and agreeing to their terms of service. Developer documentation. Relay Bank will provide comprehensive developer documentation that outlines the API endpoints, data structures, authentication methods, and other technical details necessary for integration. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.